worse is it than the Reaper Passion?
No, don't tell him.
I won't tell you.
That's worse. That's worse. There's a dust storm happening right now, and it's my. Okay.
Don't worry about that. Get to it.
No.
Come on, Ryan.
Okay. So I promised I would douse my nuggie in this. This is the fire alarm 5-pepper attack. Water, vinegar, hot peppers, habanero, ghost pepper, scorpion chili, 7-pot primo, Carolina Reaper, sweet pepper. That's enough for me. I don't care.
Dose it, baby. You got to dose.
My tongue just came back now.
Mine too. I don't want. Everybody out there, I love you. Please donate.
Hey, Dre. You're going to see somebody cry right now.
Oh, my God.
Put 2 drips on your dick.
No!
We love the TikTok show.
Woo! Woo! I don't want to do this.
Dennis, you want to join in?
What's that?
No. You're not doing
having it. I'm having it. I'm not backing out.
No backing out.
Oh, my God. I'm scared.
Well, I'll tell you. This one had me going.
Man, I want to see it.
For all the other ones, come on.
That's it. You better. Yeah, I need a dose. You better get some more on that.
Yuriba!
I want to see smoke come out. I want to see smoke come out them cheeks, bro. No Diddy.
I'll show you that for free.
Just call Diddy. Oh, fuck, buddy.
That's a lot.
Body, you are fucked.
You're going to be hiccuping and puking.
That better?
That's a better. Now, you got to put that part on your tongue. No Diddy. You got this. You're good. Don't worry about
You
it.
want to match me?
Hell no.
Oh, come on, Mr. Hot Sauce. Let's go. I want the hot pepper one. Come on. It's only seeping. Wait, let's show Jackson here.
My asshole.
Come on, Jackson. Let's see. Show this man off.
Oh, that's pretty
there it
good.
is. All right. There it is.
Let's go, Logan. Big balls. Let's go. All right.
All right, Ramblers. Let's get rambling.
No, fuck you. Oh, Logan's going big, too. Show the camera.
I
Macy,
ain't
doing it?
that. You guys are on your own. I ain't not doing
I
that.
ain't doing that.
Already, you dumb.
I licked it
All right, everybody show the camera. Let's show our death ones. Mace, where's your sad one? Oh, look at neighbor. Just put it in right up top. Yeah, look at the neighbors. There we go. SavoryBubble.com.
There you go. It's all right. It's not bad. It just tastes good. Got good taste on it.
Oh, fuck no.
It's a good taste on it. There you go. Zing it.
Stop talking.
Dude, I just saw this one out of all y'all and it's burning. What is wrong with you guys?
Woo!
Sound the alarm.
That's great.
Okay. Oh, it hurts more now. Oh boy.
I got goosebumps.
I'm hard. No, that's good. Randy, shut up.
You
My
know,
God.
it's still got good flavor.
You know what? I'm going to say this and I'm going to be real about it. That Reaper Passion was hotter.
No way. For real? You think so?
I'm still processing it, but it's, yeah.
I'm almost inclined to agree, but it's still setting in.
No, it's setting in. It's a creeper. That's a creeper.
Yeah, it's an aftershock.
It's a creeper.
Oh, I'm getting goosebumps from it.
Yeah.
Oh,
People are dying over it. It's a creeper. It's a creeper.
good job, buddy. Good job.
Oh,
You made it.
Oh my God, it's worse now.
It's starting again.
It's worse. Ooh. Give me the hose.
Give me the hose. The Savory Baba just effed up all you guys.
Buddy, you're going to go for a ride with me in my machine, and I'm going to fuck you up.
Oh. Come here, give me that thing. Oh. It hurts. Will you hurry up?
Well,